Papa Ron here. Today we're out at Eagle Training Camp and we're going to make a buddy burner. And towards the end of the video we'll talk about a couple uses for it. Okay, to make a buddy burner we have a camp stove, some propane, a yardstick, some candle wax that's broken up, a pot to put water in, some old tuna cans that have been cleaned, and a utility knife, and some water. And we also have a piece of cardboard. To start with, we're going to need to cut some cardboard into strips. And it just happens that what we're trying to do is cut cardboard so we can roll it up and put it inside the tuna can, and then we'll add wax to make the burner. And it happens that the size of the cardboard is about the same as the yardstick I've got here. So we're going to use it for a straight edge. So we'll draw a line along it. I'm not sure how much cardboard I'm going to need, so we'll cut maybe 3 strips. Okay, when I'm cutting the cardboard, it's not quite going all the way through, so I fold it where the cut is, and then I cut it from the back side, being careful not to cut myself. Start putting the cardboard into the cans. You start rolling it up in little rounds like this, like a snail. And when you cut it, you want to make sure you cut it so that the corrugated holes are along the cut edge. And you roll it up tight like that so you get about to the can size. And I'm gonna have to cut some off so it'll fit. Roll it up good and tight. And hopefully we'll have it this time. There it is. It slipped in. It's a good tight roll, as you can see. And I'm going to take a little birthday candle here and try to put it in between the cardboard runs so that we have a way to light it. And it's a little bit long, so I'm going to cut a little bit off. Like that. Okay, we've got the stove set up now. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of water in this pot so that for safety reasons. And then we're going to put a can with some wax in it in the pot, and we're going to light the stove and melt the candle. And while we were setting up, I realized I didn't have a pot holder or gloves to hold the can when I'm pouring the wax, so I had to go get them. Okay, we got the wax all melt down. So we'll turn the stove off. Got gloves on. Pick it up, bring it over here. I'm going to bend the can a little bit so that it'll pour. Maybe. And slowly pour it in on the cardboard. And you want to fill it up to as close to the top of the can as you can and let it cool off. And there we have it. When those cool off, they'll be buddy burners. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe.